Do you have the hiccups? Oh no. Oh no.
And do something like this, it does so much. I'm so thankful.
I'm proud of all we've done for Rhonda and the Boys and Girls Club over the past 3 days,
Brooklyn.
but we're not done yet.
Brooklyn.